Hi again. Let's start with the fingers. Let's grab this piece first and let's hit slash to isolate it. And let's see how can we unwrap this piece. First, I need to apply the subdivision and don't want it anymore. Tap to edit mode. Maybe I can, actually this face, I don't want these faces, so I'm going to, what I need to do is grab these faces and XF to delete this and hover over this one and hit L to link select and XF. And now what we can do is maybe add a scheme right here and Q and mark scheme. The same thing for this side, mark scheme. Alright, now what we need to do is hit A, select everything, and here in this area hit U to unwrap it. And let's add the checker. Sorry, I just jumped to texture paint. Let's go back to object mode and let's add the checker and go to preview. And cool, yeah, that's acceptable. Hit slash, and let's select, maybe let's start with this piece, isolate this piece, apply the bevel, tap to edit, alt click here, grab this shift, alt shift click here, mark seam, hit A, here hit U to unwrap everything, and it tell you the scale is not correct. You can hit Ctrl A and apply the scale and add weighted normal to recorrect the normal. There we go, apply the normal, the weighted normal. Cool. Now hit slash, and because we applied the scale, the normal flipped, so tap to edit mode, hit A, shift N to recalculate the normal. And maybe I need to add the weighted normal again, yeah, and apply it. That's cool. Let's grab this one and isolate it. Control A, apply the scale. Maybe we got a problem with the scale. And let's go to face orientation to check. Yeah, it's right. So hit A, shift N to recalculate the normal. Apply the bevel here. Tap to edit mode. Alt click here, alt shift click here, and shift click here to select these edges. Q mark seam, as you see. Now here, when you complete, here just hit A and then hit U to unwrap, and there we go, it's unwrapped perfectly. Well, tab, let's hit slash, let's select this one and let's give them the checker, or this one too. That's cool. Let's grab this one, Control A, apply the scale, and it's applied. Let's check the face orientation. Yeah, cool. Maybe this one we need to flip the, yeah, we need to flip the face here. Tab, hit A, select everything, shift N, and that's cool. Now let's select this one, and maybe I can take the same UV from this to this. So I'm going to select it and apply the bevel, and let's add the checker for this piece. And with this one selected, hold shift, grab this, Control L, and transfer the UV map. And that doesn't work. I don't know why that doesn't work. It should work. So let's do that manually. Let's hit slash, go to solid, tap to edit, grab this, hold here to grab this one, mark seam, hit A, and here hit U. Yeah, it's unwrapped. Yeah, that's cool. Let's select this piece, slash, isolate it, and apply the bevel, apply the scale, and tap to edit mode, alt click here, maybe here. Let's grab these corners, here, and here as well. Mark seam, the same thing for this side. And this one as well. Maybe here I can add a seam, and for this corner hit A and here hit U, and it's unwrapped. Cool. let's add the checker, and let's Z and go to preview, and there we go. By the way, if you want to go to preview, you can switch between this and this if you like the same results, but I like to hit Z and go to preview. That would be easier for me. And cool, let's hit slash again, and let's grab this one, Control A, apply the scale, and let's add the checker texture for this one. Maybe I can take the same information from this to this. Let's try that. Grab this one, apply the bevel, don't forget that, and hold shift and grab this, Control L. Yeah, it's working. Let's go to solid, tap to edit, hit A and then hit U. What we have here? Why that's happened? We got some problem here. It should receive the same information. Anyway, let's select this alone. Sorry, select this alone, and let's hit U for Arab again. Let's change this to conformal. Maybe that would make a difference. Alright, let's hit slash and isolate it, and let's add seam manually. Grab this, hold shift, grab this and this, add seam, hit A, and here hit U. Now it's cool. Hit slash, grab this one, tap to edit mode or apply the bevel, slash isolated, tab, click here, alt click here, and grab this. Just add seam as I did. Hit A and here hit U to unwrap it. And there we go. And give it the checker. Hit slash, grab this one, isolate it, tap to edit mode, apply the scale. Just apply the bevel, and then apply the scale. Grab this edge, hold here to grab this and this, A, and here hit U to unwrap it, and there we go. Give it the checker, and cool. Grab this piece, isolate it, apply the bevel, Control A, apply the scale, tap to edit, grab this entire edge loop, this one, and this one as well, and mark seam. The same thing here, and here, mark seam, and here as well, and hit A and here hit U, and there we go. Hit slash. That's cool. And we just complete this finger. It takes too much time actually. Let's see what about these. Let's grab this one and Control A, apply the scale. Let's grab all of these actually. Control A, apply the scale. Some of them, some of the normals of these objects flipped, so tap to edit mode for all of these pieces, hit A and then shift N to recalculate the normal for all of these pieces, and when you complete, hit apply to apply this the bevel for all of these pieces, or you can grab them all. Control A, apply visual geometry to mesh, and there we go. Let's grab this one and let's give a checker and let's go to preview, and let's try to take let's try again to take the same information from this UV. So select this one, hold shift, grab this, Control L, transform UV map. Oops, that doesn't work. Alright, so let's hit slash. It seems like we need to unwrap all of these pieces one by one. I know that's annoying too much, but we don't have another option. Q, mark seam, hit A, and here hit U to unwrap it, and hit slash, grab this, slash, tap to edit, alt shift click, and then shift here, Q, mark seam, A, hit U here, and there we go. Let's hit slash, grab the third one, this one right here, isolate it, tap to edit, grab this, mark seam, here hit U. That's cool. So maybe what I can do is to fix this issue, I can grab all of these and delete them. I think that would be faster. So X deletes, and let's select these, and from maybe the right view, maybe that will work. Shift D to take a copy, and let's put one right here, and Shift R, and Shift R again, and I think that would be better, because now all of these have the same unwrap, have the same results of the unwrapping. Let's grab this one, and let's apply the bevel for this. Tap to edit mode, and let's try another technique. Let's select this face and this face, grow a couple time, or his Control Z. Let's select this and this, grow a couple time, and go to select loop, select boundary, and Q mark seam, and let's grab this one, mark seam, and one on this side, mark seam, A, and here hit U, and there we go, it's our up. So hit slash, give it checker, go to preview, it's cool. Let's grab all of these, give them the same checker for this one. Actually what you can do, grab this and all of these pieces without the checker, and hold shift and grab any object with the checker map, and Control L and link the same material to make these receive the same information of the texture. What about these pieces? Actually I will delete them and grab this from the right view, hit number 3, and Shift D to take a copy right here, and repeat the same process, Shift R here and here, and that would be faster for you. And what about these right here? Sorry, let's grab this one and let's isolate this piece alone, and let's apply the bevel here, and let's alt shift click, mark seam, this one, mark seam, hit A, and here hit U, and there we go. And let's add the checker, hit slash, grab this one, slash to isolate it, Control A, apply the scale if you want, apply the bevel, tab, alt click here, alt shift click here, and grab this, hit A, and here hit U, and add the same checker texture, the same thing for this piece, isolate it, Control A, apply visual geometry to mesh to get rid of the bevel here, or to apply it. Grab this A, here hit U, and done. Slash, let's delete these, the same technique, because I don't want to waste too much time on these things. Shift D to take a copy right here, Shift R couple times to duplicate these pieces, and there we go. What we can do now, we can grab all of these and hold shift to grab this one, Control L, link the same material. So now let's go to preview to see what we got, and it's very cool. Now let's go to solid, grab this, isolate it, Control A, apply visual. Now let's switch to face, grab this face, hold shift to grab this, the same thing here, Control plus couple time to grow the selection, go to select loop, boundary, Q, mark seam, grab this one, mark seam, and this one here, mark seam, hit A, and here hit U to unwrap it, and there we go, it's finished. Give it checker, hit slash, delete these from the right view, sorry, grab this, shift D, and take a copy right here, just eyeball it and center it, shift R couple times, and there we go. When you complete, grab these 3, I think, yeah, they receive the same material, that's cool. The same thing for this piece right here, hit slash, apply the bevel, tap to edit, grab this, hold shift, grab that, and here, grab this, A, and here hit U, to unwrap, hit slash, grab something else, isolate it, Control A, apply visual, alt, and sorry, Q mark seam, hit A, and here hit U, cool, the same thing here for this piece. Grab it, slash, Control A, apply visual geometry. Grab this seam and this one and this one. Mark seam, hit A, select, and here you to unwrap, and there we go. Well, let's delete these. The same technique, and grab these three from the right view. Shift D, take a copy right here, center it, Shift R a couple times, and there we go. Let's grab them all just like that, and hold Shift and grab this, and Control L to link the same material, and go to preview, and very nice. Grab this one, isolate it, apply bevel, tab to edit mode, and switch to face. Grab this face and this one, the same thing for this side, with holding Shift, grow the selection couple time, and go to select and loop boundary, and Q, mark seam, and let's grab this, and let's grab this, mark seam, hit A, and here hit U to unwrap it, and it is nice. Hit slash, grab these fingers, delete them, grab this, jump to 3, right view, Shift D, take a copy, and Shift R twice, and grab those, all of them, hold Shift, grab one of these with the material, Control L, link the same material, go to preview, Z and go to review, and we just finished the arm. Maybe this one, hold Shift, grab this, link the same material, and yeah, it's finished. Oh my god, took too much time. Oops. Well, now we just finished this arm, and now what I can do, I can start with the leg. When I will complete the leg, I will organize everything as we did with the head. So I just need to complete Arabic everything, and then we will copy these parts to the other side, and I will make everything ready. So I see you in the next tutorial.